In the previous class, you have learned what is sets and the type of sets. The type of sets are first null set, then singleton set, then a finite set, infinite set, and also infinite set have two parts. One is denumerable set or countable set, and second is non-denumerable set or uncountable set. Now today we will learn the relation between two sets or three sets. So first relation is a subset. Now what is subset? If two sets are given A and B, then if every element of A belongs to B, then A is called the subset of A. That is, for an arbitrary x belongs to A implies x belongs to B. Then as x is arbitrary, then every element of A belongs to B. So A is a subset of B. Okay, that implies A is a subset of B. Now if this sign is denote for subset. Okay, so A and B are subset. A is a subset of B, then we can write A is subset of B. Okay, so the definition is, if every element of A belongs to the set B, then A is called the subset of B. Okay, as an example we can write, if A equals to AB and B equals to ABC. So we see that A and B belongs to A, and this A and B also belongs to B, right? So we can write A is subset of B. But in the other sense, if we see that A, B, C belongs to B, but A and B belongs to A, but C does not belongs to A. So B is not a subset of A. Okay, so this sign represents not subset. Okay. Now next, the subset is, the next part is, the first part of subset is proper subset. The next part is proper subset. Proper subset is, the definition of proper subset is, if A and B are two sets. Okay, so first definition is same as subset. The definition is, every element of A is, if every element of A belongs to B, but there is at least one element in B which does not belongs to A. Okay, if every element of A belongs to B, but there is at least one element in B which does not belongs to A, then A is called a proper subset of B and represent as a subset of B. The equal sign does not count. Okay, so A subset of B. As an example, see this example. So we can write A subset of B. Also we can write here, say A and B belongs to A, also belongs to B, but there is at least one element which is C which does not belongs to A. So we can write this set A and B a subset of B. When we find an element C which does not belongs to A, then we can write A is a proper subset of B. But if we cannot determine a point C in the B such that which does not belongs to A, then we can write A subset of B. Okay, when we confirm that there is an element, so we can write A subset of B. When we cannot confirm an element, then we can write A subset of B. Okay, so this sign for proper subset and this sign for only subset. Okay, proper subset is also subset. Okay, now note. First note is this part. Note 1 is if there is at least one element A is not in B, then if x belongs to x belongs to B, but if we find an element x belongs to A but x does not belongs to B, then we can write A is not a subset of B. Okay. Now the null set's second note, null set phi is subset of every set A. A is any set. Okay. The phi set, null set is always a subset of any set. Okay. A for any set. Third part, the element of a set cannot be a subset of that set. That means if A equals to 1, 2, then 1 belongs to A. We can write 1 belongs to A, but 1 is not a subset of A. Okay. A set, an element cannot be related to a set. Cannot be related to a set by a subset sign or super subset sign. Okay. It can only be represented at belongs to or not belongs to. Okay. Now next part, equal set. Let two set A and B is given. If every element of A is an element of B, also if every element of B is an element A, then this two set is called equal set. So we see that if A subset of B and B subset of A successively or simultaneously, then this represent A equals to B. Okay. Also, if A equals to B, then these two condition is appear. So A subset of B, A equals to B, implied and implied by A subset of B and B subset of A. Okay. As an element, we can say that A equals to 2, 3, 4 and B equals to, let's say, x such that x is an integer and 1 less than x less than 5. Okay. So we see that B can be written as in the roster form. This is given in the set builder form. If we write in the roster form, we get the all integers belongs to 1 and 5, not including 1 and 5, is 2, 3, 4. So A equals to B. We see that every element of A belongs to B, also every element of B belongs to A. So A equals to B. Okay. A result. First we give an example, then we define the result. Example, let A equals to 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now how many subset can be formed by the element of 1, 2, 3 of the set A? Okay. How many subset can be formed? First we have phi. Phi is null set, which is a subset of almost every set. Okay. So phi can be taken. Now if we choose one element from the set A and form a set such as set 1, set of only one element 2, set of only one element 3. Now we can select any two element from these three element. So if we select 1 and 2, then we can find a set 1, 2 which is subset of A, because this set has 1 and 2 and also it's belong to A. So 1, 2 subset of A. Also 1, 3 same as 2, 3 also the all element which is equals to A. Okay, so this is also a subset, this is also a subset of A, this is also a subset of A, this is also a subset, and so on. So the number of subset is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So number of subset equals to 8, which can be written as 2q. So the relation is that if there are 3 elements in the set A, so number of subset will be 2q. If there are 2 elements, only 2 elements in the set A, so number of subset will be 2 square. If there are 4 elements in the set A, then the number of subset will be 2 to the power 4. So in general, if A have n element, number of subset will be 2 to the power n. Now this is the general solution. Okay. Next, power set. Now power set is a set of sets. That means the element of that power set is also a set connected to a given set A. As let A be any set. Okay, the set of all subset, the set of all subset of A is called a power set of A, defined as P of A and denoted as P of A, defined as the element will be set X such that X is a subset of A. Now how many, if A is given, then subset can be taken as this form. Okay, as an example, we give a different example. Let A equals to A and B. Okay, if A equals to A and B, the number of subset, the subsets are, subset will be first 5, then single element sets and 2 element set. So P of A equals to 5 A B A B. Okay, so the elements of the power set of A is equals to, the elements are the subsets of the set, given set A. Okay, so here we can write A is belongs to P of A. This is a set, this is also a set. As the elements are the sets, elements are the subsets of A, so as this set A is an element of P of A, so we write belongs to. Okay, and subset of PA will be in this form, phi of A. This is a set of sets phi and A. This will be subset of P of A. Okay, just an example. Okay, that's it for today. Now I will explain some example. I'll give from it note. Examples. 1. Write the following sets in the roster form. First set is A, which is X such that X in an integer and -3 less than X less than 7. And second example is X such that X is a prime number and divisors of 60. So for the first example A, the integers lies between -3 and 7, not including -3 and 7, as there is no equal sign. So -3 and 7 does not include in the count. Okay, so The integers lies between -3 and 7 are -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the roster form of A is A equals to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For the next case, the element which are all prime and the divisors of 60. So first we have to find the divisors of 60. The divisors of 60 are 1, 2 is also divisor 60, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 does not divide 60, so 7 cannot be count. 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. Now the prime numbers of these numbers are 1 is not a prime, 2 is a prime, 3 is a prime, 4 is not a prime, 5 is a prime, 6 not a prime, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, 16. These numbers are not primes. So the prime numbers are 2, 3 and 5, of which primes are 2, 3 and 5. So the roster form of B is B equals to 2, 3, 5. Okay. The homework is given. Try it. I will give the answer in the next class. Also find a power set of A where A equals to AB, which I already have done. So second A -1, 0, 1. You try it in the home. Okay.